is Excel Prasetya Pratama. You can call me Excel. Now I want to explain about syntax. Syntax is a study about structure and arrangement of word. And in syntax we have two definitions. The first definition is formal syntax. Formal syntax is like how the element can be combined into a form and like the phrase, clause, and sentence. And the second is functional syntax. Functional syntax is like how subject can be produced into an action, and how object can receive an action in a sentence. And then we have type of speech. Type of speech, it contains like noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, pronunciation, and interjective. And then we have phrase, clause, and sentence. Phrase is like a group of words that contains a unit and lack of verb and subject. The clause is a group of words that contain subject and predicate, and the sentence is a group of words that contain at least one independent clause. And then we have a preposition of word, phrase, clause, and sentence. In the word level, the preposition can be implied, and in the phrase level, the preposition can be suggest an idea and entities. And clause, and in the clause level is like the preposition the expression of preposition that with subject and verb. And then we have a sentence level is like typically a complete preposition. And then we have a type of phrase and clause. Type of phrase is contains like noun phrase. A noun phrase is like a phrase that function as a noun, and the verb phrase is like contain any direct or indirect clause, any direct or indirect object. And then we have adjective clause. It's like a phrase that modifies a noun. And then we have adverbial clause. I think it's like modifies a verb, adjective, or another verb. and we have a prepositional verb. Prepositional phrase is like begins with pronunciation, begins with preposition, and with a noun or verb. And then we have a type of clause. The first is a noun clause. Noun clause is act as a noun, and the narrat and the the relative clause is like modifies a noun. Adjective is like an adjective that modified a clause, a phrase, and sentence. And we have adverbial clause is like is as a adverb that modify verb, adjective, and clause. Then we have an independent and dependent clause. Independent clause is like that can stand on his own into a complete clause. And the dependent is like that cannot stand on his own and must be attached to independent clause. And then we have reverse structure is like the structure is like object, verb, and subject is like for the example, the beautiful is the sunset. And then we have each sentence is like there use it as a subject for emphasis. And we have there, and then we have their sentence is like used there as a subject for the emphasis. And cleft sentence is like focus on a specific specific of a sentence. And then we have active and passive sentence. The active is like the subject perform action, and passive is like the subject receive an action. And then we have the sentence fragment. Sentence fragment is like incomplete sentence. Is like without a subject or object in a sentence. That means a sentence fragment. Only that I can explain about syntax. Thank you.